Hi everyone, once again welcome back to our class. Last class we were discuss about the contact force to body system. Now discuss about the contact force in between the three block system. Find out the common acceleration of the blocks and the contact force in between two bodies. Now direct formula shortcut process acceleration and contact force. Okay, for using mains and JE mains and NEAT. Okay, first of all formula three block system. First of all here three blocks are contact on the surface or smooth surface. This here smooth surface, three blocks here, three blocks, these are three blocks are contact to each other. Okay, the external force acting on the body, these three blocks are M1, the M2, M3. Okay, here applied force and this is a F2 against the motion. So this system, total system moving forward direction with the acceleration A. Okay, now find out the common acceleration and the normal reaction N1, the normal reaction N2. Normal reaction nothing but here contact force in between two bodies. First, second bodies here contact force, for example N1, second body and third body contact force here N2. Okay, now the common acceleration of this system is equal to A is equal to direct formula shortcut process, shortcut method. Okay, acceleration of the system is equal to net force by total mass M1 plus M2 plus here M3, that is equal to, okay, here F1 greater than F2, so simplifies the common acceleration of the system is equal to F1 minus F2 by M1 plus M2 plus M3. This is the acceleration of this system. Okay, common acceleration of the system. Now N1 and N2. N1 is equal to, here N1 is equal to, here first of all this body, so system, this dividing into two parts. The N1 contact force in between mass M1 and mass M2. So contact force in between M1 and M2 is equal to forward force into backward mass. Here free body diagram, for free body diagram. Okay, these three bodies. Okay, M1, M2, M3. Okay, this is a N1. The N1 in between M1 and M2. So these three blocks is two systems. Imagination the system. This is the one block. This one another block. These two system. Here applied force here F1. This is a backward force here F2. This mass here, backward mass. And this is a forward mass. Okay, F capital E M forward mass. Here this one here BF. This is a backward mass. This one here backward mass. This one here forward mass. So formula net the contact force in between two system, one system here 2 plus 3, one system, one body, m1 is another body, here these two bodies. Now n1 is equal to formula, n1 is equal to forward force into backward mass plus backward force into forward mass, okay, by total mass, okay. This is a method of shortcut method. Here F means forward force, BM means backward mass, plus next plus backward force. This is a F is a backward force, this is a backward force, this one here forward force, okay, clear. F1 means here forward force, BF means here, F2 means backward force. This force acting towards forward direction, this force acting towards backward direction. This force acting on the m1, this body forward mass, this force acting on the this system, so this is a backward mass. So now n1 is equal to that formula, backward force means here F1 into here forward force F1, backward mass into m2 plus m3, here plus next backward force nothing but F2 into and forward mass here m1 by total mass m1 plus m2 plus m3. This is the contact force in between m1 and m2 m3, okay, this formula. Next same as is here n2 is equal to forward force into in between free body diagram into free body diagram, okay. This is a 3 blocks, these are 3 blocks, this one n2, this one here n2, this system forward mass, this one here backward mass. So here F1, this is a here, this one in F2, this force, this one here, this one here forward mass, okay. Here this is a m3, m1, m2, okay, backward mass, forward force, backward force. So n2 is equal to that formula, forward mass force F1 into backward mass nothing but here m3 plus backward force F2 into forward mass m1 plus m3 by total mass m1 plus m2 plus here m3. This is the contact force in between m2 and m3, this one, okay, this one here contact force, okay. n1 formula this one, n2 formula here this one. Now for example problems clarification, మనకు ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేసినట్టయితే మనకి దీనిపైన క్లారిటీ వస్తుంది. జస్ట్ వన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇస్తున్నా, ఓకే, నో దిస్ వన్ క్లియర్. here 3 blocks, here one, for example 4 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg, for example these 3 blocks are here, these 3 blocks are 5 kg and 3 kg, for example 2 kg, okay. The F2 is equal, for example here 4 Newton, F1 is equal, for example 10 Newton, okay, 10 Newton. The body moving forward direction here because of the F1 greater than F2. This surface is smooth surface. This one here smooth surface. Okay, smooth surface. Place is a smooth surface. So find out the contact force in between. First of all, find the acceleration, contact force here N1 and N2. Okay, first of all, acceleration A is equal to net force F1 minus F2 by total mass M1 plus M2 plus here M3. M1 is equal to, here for example formula lo M1 is equal to 5 kg and M2 is equal to 3 kg. Here M3 is equal to 2 kg. So values here substituting. Common acceleration of this system is equal to net force means 10 minus here 4 by 5 plus 3 plus 2. Okay, 10 minus 4 6 by 10, that is equal to 0.6. A is equal to meter per second square. So therefore common acceleration A is equal to 0.6 meter per second square. This is a common acceleration of the block. అంటే దీని యొక్క సిస్టమ్ మొత్తం ఒక యాక్సలరేషన్ ఎంత మనకి 0.6 మీటర్ పర్ సెకండ్స్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, ద N1 కాంటాక్ట్ ఫోర్స్ ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ 5 kg and 3 kg. సో ఫ్రీ బాడీ డయాగ్రామ్, this is a 5 kg, this one 3 kg, here this one 2 kg. Okay, so here two bodies, consider here two bodies. This is a one body, this one here another body. The contact force in between 5 kg and 3 kg here N1. So the forward force here F1, backward force here F2. So values is substitute. ఇక్కడ F1 is equal to 10 Newton and F2 is equal to 4 Newton. So substituting. So formula N1 is equal to forward force means here F1. Forward force here F1 means here 10 into backward mass. Sorry, formula రాస్తాను ఒకసారి once again. Here N1 is equal to forward force into backward mass plus backward force into forward mass. Okay, by total mass. So this is a forward, this one here forward mass, this one here backward mass. Okay, forward force here, backward force. So value substituting. N1 is equal to forward force here 10 Newton. This one here 10 Newton. This one here 4 Newton. Value substituting. 10 into backward mass 3 plus 2 plus here backward force 4 Newton into forward mass 5 kg by total mass. Total mass that is equal to here 10 Newton. 10. Okay. Now 10, 3 plus 2 5, 5 10 ja 50 plus here 4 5 ja 20 by 10 is equal to here N1 is equal to 50 plus 20 70 by 10, 0 get cancel, implies the contact force in between 5 kg and 3 kg is equal to 7 Newton. Okay, this is a contact force in between 5 kg and 3 kg is equal to 7 Newton. Next one N2. Next one here N2. Note this one here. Okay, acceleration, common acceleration, the contact force in between 5 kg and 3 kg. Next one here free body diagram, N2 is equal to here N2 is equal to 3 blocks. These are 3 blocks. Okay, N2, this one here N2, backward force here 4 Newton, forward force here 10 Newton. Okay, this is a 5, this one here 3, this is a 2 kg. Now here in between this one, okay, forward mass, here this one backward mass. Okay, now N2 is equal to, here N2 is equal to, forward force means here 10, backward mass here 2, plus next backward force 4 Newton and forward mass 5 plus 3 by total mass 10 is equal to 10 plus 10 into 2, so 20, 4 5 plus 3 8, 8 4 ja 32. Okay, 8 4 ja 32 by 10 is equal to 32 plus 20 52. 52 by 10, that is equal to here 5.2 Newton. So therefore the contact force in between 3 kg and 2 kg, 3 kg and 2 kg is equal to 5.2 Newton. Okay, this is the contact force in between 3 kg and 2 kg is equal to 5.2. Next example, next different problem. Okay, now this one. Now 3 blocks in contact, M1 and M2 and M3, their masses, for example, same masses 5, 3 and 2 kgs. These 3 blocks are contact on the smooth surface. For example, here this is a surface, 3 blocks. Okay, these are 3 blocks. Here 5 kg, 3 kg, for example 2 kg. Okay, the force acting on this one, some angle here 10 Newton, 10 or 8 Newton, 8 Newton, 8 Newton. With the horizontal 60 degrees, for example 60 degrees. Okay, 10 or 8 Newton, for example. Now this force here, for example, here F2 is equal to 2 Newton. Now this system, total system moving forward direction with the acceleration, for example A, with the acceleration A. Now the contact force in between 5 and 3 is equal to here N1. The contact force in between 3 kg and 2 kg here N2. Now find the common acceleration N1 and N2. Okay, N2. Now first of all 8 Newton acting 60 degrees angle with the horizontal, 60 degrees with the horizontal. So the 8 Newton dividing into 2 parts. One is 8 sin theta, 8 cos theta. 8 cos theta acting parallel to the block, 8 sin theta perpendicular to the block. Here 8 cos theta greater than here 2 Newton. Here 2 Newton. So this is a dividing into 2 parts. Here 8 sin 60, this one 8 cos 60. So cos 60. Okay, degrees. This is a forward. This one here backward. Now first of all, common acceleration of the system. Here A is equal to net force. Net force means here 8 cos 60 degrees minus here 2 Newton by total mass 5 plus 3 plus 2. Now here 8 into cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Cos 60 is equal to here 1 by 2 minus 2 by 10. So 2 1 ja 2 4 ja, that is equal to 4 minus 2 by 10 is equal to here a is equal to 4 minus 2 here 2 by 10. Finally the common acceleration of this system here a is equal to 0.2 meter per second square. This is a common acceleration of the block. Now n1, next here n1 is equal to n1 free body diagram. Okay, this horizontal force here 8 cos 60, okay, cos 60 degrees horizontal force, forward direction 3 blocks here, 5 kg, 3 kg and 2 kg. The backward force here 2 Newton. This is a Newton. Okay, this is a n1, this one here n1. Okay, now this first of all divide this is a just block 1, this is block 2. For example, forward mass, backward mass. So here n1 is equal to, according to formula, forward force here 8 cos 60 into backward mass 3 plus 2 plus next backward force 2 into forward mass here 5 by total mass here 10. Okay, that is equal to here n is equal to n1 is equal to 8 1 by 2 into 2 plus 3 5 plus here 5 2 ja 10, 5 2 ja 10 by 10. Okay, now 2 2 ja 2 4 ja 4 5 ja 20 plus 10 by 10, that is equal to here 30 by 10, 0 0 get cancel, remaining 3. So the contact force in between 5 kg and 3 kg, n1 is equal to 3 Newton. This is a force, this is a unit, this one here unit of the force, this is a contact force. Next one n2, next one free body diagram. Note this one here, note it. Now n2, the contact force in between 3 kg and 2 kg, 3 kg and 2 kg. Free body diagram, free body diagram here. First of all, these 3 bodies. Okay, now n2 here 5 kg and 3 kg, one block. This is a forward mass. Here 2 kg is a backward mass. Okay, here force is 2 Newton. This is a 8 cos 60 Newton. Okay, now this one n2, this one here n2. Now here n2 is equal to forward force means here 8 into cos 60 1 by 2 into backward mass here 2 plus next backward force here 2 into forward mass here nothing but 5 plus 3 by total mass here 10, so 2 1 ja 2 4 ja here 4 2 ja 8, next one 5 plus 3 8 2 ja 16 by 10 is equal to n2 is equal to 16 plus 8 24 by 10. Simplifies. Finally the contact force in between 3 kg and 2 kg is equal to 2.4 Newton. This is a contact force in between. N2 means the contact force in between 3 kg and 2 kg. So this is a final answer. Next different problem. For example, 2 blocks contact these two, for example, this is a one block, this is a two block, these two blocks contact moving on the inclined surface. Find out the contact force in between two blocks and the common acceleration of the blocks or system. How to calculate this type of problem. Now here this one you are noticed. Okay, next one, two blocks contact based on the inclined plane. Okay, find the common acceleration and contact force in between two blocks. For example, here this is a inclined plane. Okay, this one inclined plane. Okay, the angle theta here, angle of inclination theta. Here two blocks. This surface AB is a smooth surface. AB is a smooth slope. Two blocks placed on the this surface. Okay, this one block here, another block. For example, these two blocks. One block here M1, second block here, for example, M2. These two blocks in contact. These two blocks here contact. This moving downwards. This two system here moving downwards with the acceleration. With the acceleration here A. With the acceleration here A. The contact force in between M1 and M2 here. M1 and M2. For example, the contact force in between here N. So find the acceleration and here N. Acceleration and common acceleration and N. So first of all, this type of problem, the blocks are the weight of the two blocks acting always downwards. The weight of the block acting always downwards. So M1 blocks dividing into two components. M2 blocks also dividing into two blocks. These two dividing blocks mg cos theta, mg sin theta. Now first of all, this one mg. Okay, block M1g, M1g. This block here M2g. The moving downwards. So this block dividing into two components. Here one is mg cos theta. Here parallel to this inclined plane here M1g sin theta. M1g sin theta. This one. Next block here M2 block. M2 blocks also dividing two components here M2g cos theta. Next one, this one here M2g sin theta. The contact force in between these two blocks here N. Now this M1g sin theta oppose the M2 block. The M2 block moving downwards with M1 block. Now the contact force in between M1 and M2 here N. Now find the common acceleration of this system. So the contact force in between M1 and M2. First of all, according to here this block, this is a direction in the force is here M1g cos theta, and this is a backward force. This one here backward force. This mass is called here backward mass. Okay, క్లియరెన్స్ కోసం ఈ బ్లాక్ ఏం చేస్తుంది, దాన్ని అపోజ్ చేస్తుంది కాబట్టి దీన్ని బ్యాక్వర్డ్ మాస్, బ్యాక్వర్డ్ ఫోర్స్. దిస్ వన్ ఫార్వర్డ్ ఫోర్స్ అండ్ దిస్ బ్లాక్ హియర్ ఫార్వర్డ్ మాస్. ఓకే, దిస్ వన్. ఓకే, దిస్ టు అపోజ్ చేసేది ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏం తీసుకుంటాం, M1g cos theta BM, backward mass and backward force. These two backward force and forward force and forward mass. Now acceleration of the system. So forward force minus backward force. Here forward force means sin theta minus backward force here, this is the m1 g sin theta by total mass m1 plus m2. So here common terms, g sin theta is here common, g sin theta here common, so m2 minus m1 by here m1 plus m2. This is the acceleration of the two blocks. Note this one. Next one, the contact force in between these two. Now note this one. Next one, here n is equal to forward force into backward mass plus backward force into forward mass by total mass. So the contact force in between two blocks is equal to forward force means here m2g sin theta into backward mass means m1 plus next backward force means here this one m1 g sin theta into forward mass means here m2 by total mass. So m1 plus m2. Okay, simplifies here n is equal to m1 m2 g sin theta, m1 m2 g sin theta plus here also m1 m2 g sin theta, m1 m2 g sin theta by total mass m1 plus here m2. So finally 2 times, so contact force is equal to 2 m1 m2 g sin theta by m1 plus m2. This is a contact force in between two blocks in a inclined plane. Now for example, in this case m1 is equal to, for example, cases m1 is equal to m2, that is equal to m. Now here contact force here, for example, if m1 is equal to m1 is equal to m2, m1 is equal to m2, m1 is equal to here is equal to m2 is equal to here m. So a contact force is equal to ఏమవుతుంది ఇక్కడ మనకి 2 m square m into m square g sin theta by here 2m 2 get cancel, once m cancel. So contact force in between two blocks in n is equal to remaining mg sin theta. This is a condition ఏంటంటే మనకి టూ బ్లాక్స్ సేమ్ మాసెస్ ఉన్నట్టయితే అవి రెండు కూడా కిందికి జారుతూ ఉంటున్నాయి. అప్పర్ ఫోర్స్ దిస్ ఇస్ అప్పర్, దిస్ ఇస్ లోయర్. అప్పర్ ఫోర్స్ greater than your lower force, this one. Okay, for example ప్రాబ్లం చేయండి ఒకటి క్లారిఫికేషన్. For example, this is for example 60 degrees, the inclination of the inclination 60 degrees. Okay, 60 degrees. The blocks are 2 kg and for example 3 kg, 2 kg and 3 kg. Find out the common acceleration and the contact force in between two blocks. Okay, first of all this one here, note this one. Okay, the angle of inclination 60 degrees. Two blocks are here 2 kg and 3 kg. These two blocks contact moving downwards. The contact force in between 2 kg and 3 kg here n. Now first of all acceleration of the system is equal to forward force minus backward force. Here forward force m2g sin 60 m2g sin 60 minus కొద్ది ఇబ్బంది చేస్తుంది ఇది. ఓకే, m2g sin 60 minus this one here forward force, backward force minus here m1g sin 60 by total mass, here m1 plus here m2. Value substituting here m2 is equal to 3 kg and m1 is equal to 2 kg and sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. This value here substituting. So m2 3 into g is equal to, for example, 10 meter per second scale. Now 10 into sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2 minus here. So once commons direct రాద్దాం, ఒక స్టెప్ ఇద్దాం. g sin 60 కామన్ తీసేద్దాం ఒక్కసారి. ఓకే, g sin 60 m2 minus m1 by 2 plus 3 total mass. Okay, so 10 into sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2, 3 minus 2 by 5. Okay, common acceleration of this system is equal to 10 root 3 by 2 into 1 by 5. That is equal to 10 root 3 by 2 into 5. 5 2 ja 10 get cancel. So common acceleration of this block is equal to here root 3 meter per second square. This is a common acceleration of the two blocks. Next one, contact force in between two blocks or masses. So normal force is contact force is equal to, first of all, forward force means here entama m2g sin 60 backward mass 2k into 2 plus next backward force means m1g sin 60 into forward mass into 3 by total mass 2 plus 3. Now 2 times mg 2 times means, okay, values రాద్దాం. m2 means here m2 3 kg into g 10 and sin 60 root 3 by 2 plus 2 into 10 into any mistake, 2 into 10 into g 3 by 2 and 3 by total mass. Calculation చేయండి. ఇందులో 30 2 1 ja 2 5 ja 2 1 ja 2, any mistakes here 2 rolling ikkada into 2, sorry, into 2 get cancel, sir. Okay, 2 get cancel here, 2 here also get cancel. So remaining 3 into 10 into root 3 plus 2 times 10 into root 3 into 3 by 5 is equal to 10 3 ja 30, 10 3 ja 30. Okay, 30 root 3 plus 30 root 3 by 5, 2 times 2 into 30 root 3 by 5. So 5 1 ja here, 5 6 ja, that is equal to 6 2 ja 12. The contact force in between two blocks here n is equal to 6 2 ja 12 root 3 Newton. This is the answer of the contact force in between block 2 kg and block 3 kg. Okay friends, these formulas, these problems for using NEET and JEE mains are advanced. Okay, ఈ సూచన తర్వాత మన ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. ఓకేనా, థ్యాంక్ యూ, ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్ ఫ్రెండ్స్.